So far, I really like the sound effect of my Hollyland Lark 2. It is really windy out here and you don't hear it at all, which is amazing. And look at that heron. Yeah, where is he going? Beautiful. Yeah. Zoom out a little bit. And then, oopsie. I don't know what I just did here, but now he's hiding behind the bushes. I don't know, I don't see him anymore. Nope, he was hiding right behind the bushes. I did not see that. There we go. Ah, here we are. Hi, you pretty creature. Yeah, you. You're beautiful. Yes. What are you looking for, hmm? He likes to go down here to the far corner, far south east corner of the pond. That's where I see him a lot. Get up. Oops. Sorry. I'm not gonna go around the pond. I'm just gonna leave him. Alrighty.